Excel is the most popular spreadsheet software. It is also a powerful data analysis and visualization tool. An Excel file is also called as workbook. You can create a new blank workbook. Each workbook contains one or more worksheet. By default, Excel will create a workbook with 3 worksheets. You should name the workbook in a way that helps you and your readers in recognizing and retrieving the file in the future. Let's save this file as my workbook. Now we will see how we can rename a worksheet. By default, when you create a workbook, the worksheet names are like this: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. To rename a worksheet, sheet 1, what we have to do is we have to click on this, right click, rename, and let's say I want to write the name my worksheet. This is one way you can rename the worksheet. Another way to rename the worksheet is by double clicking here and then say worksheet. Please note that two worksheets cannot have the same name. So let's say if I want to create another worksheet by the name my worksheet, we will get an error. So that name is already taken. Try a different one. If you want to create a new worksheet, you have to click on this plus icon. So once you click on this plus icon, the new worksheet gets created. You can move the worksheet to anywhere. Let's say I want to bring it in the first place, I can bring it. If I want to delete a worksheet, I can right click and I can say delete. So the worksheet will get deleted. So ensure that when you are working with workbook, you get rid of any extra worksheet that are present.